We are so passionate about building sewing skills here at Closet Core Patterns. And in this class, Learn to Sew Shirts, the ultimate shirt making workshop, we're going to teach you everything you need to know to sew beautiful button-up shirts with confidence and pride. I'm your instructor, Heather Lou, and nothing brings me greater joy than pulling a beautiful me-made shirt out of my closet. A timeless wardrobe staple for a reason. They're also incredibly satisfying to sew once you master a few key skills. Using your choice of 2 patterns, I'm going to walk you through the construction of a shirt from start to finish and break down the entire process into digestible lessons that you can watch anytime and anywhere. Here's what I'm excited to teach you about in this class. How to choose the right fabrics and interfacings for shirt making projects. How to sew a wide variety of placket styles from classic to hidden and tunic. How to sew professional looking collars, including sewing the sharpest collar points. How to sew perfect sleeves and cuffs, including the tricky tower or house placket. How to modify and adjust patterns so you can add beautiful custom details. Professional seam finishes that can be sewn on a regular machine using a straight stitch, and all of my best tips for perfect top stitching. And finally, how to finish up your project with gorgeous hems and buttonholes. Now you can follow along with any pattern while you're taking this course, but we have included 2 of our favorites, the menswear inspired Jenna shirt and our best-selling Callie shirt and shirt dress, and we'll also include the Callie sleeve expansion with enrollment. I have no doubt that by the end, you will catch the shirt making bug just like me, and I can't wait to share everything I know with you so you can become your very own shirt making master.